as Ukrainian drone army needs to clean the battlefield, destroying damaged equipment that isn't secure enough to get captured, as this drone finds a BMP-1, as the drone is equipped with high explosive dual-purpose grenades, which has a penetration capability up to 50mm of armored steel, and the BMP has a maximum armor of 30mm with less on the roof, results in the drone being able to drop these grenades anywhere on the vehicle, not needing to aim for the open hatches. As the second hit causes an internal fire, the ammunition inside is cooking off, causing the turret to pop off, completely destroying the BMP, taking out one more of Russia's vehicle, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.